My Thai red curry recipe will brighten your day. It is authentic, packed with Thai spices, and has a little bit of a spice kick. Skip the Thai takeout and make my curry at home in just 30 minutes. Hi everyone, this is Shannon with Crafting in My Kitchen. Today I'm making a restaurant quality Thai red curry. Fun fact about me is I actually worked at a Thai restaurant in college, so I knew the in and outs of working in a Thai kitchen, picking out some quality ingredients, and making authentic Thai food. This is one of my favorite dishes, and it is the first video of a Thai cooking series that I'm launching today. If you enjoy this recipe, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and also hit that subscribe button for weekly recipe ideas. We're gonna get started by prepping our vegetables for the dish. So I've peeled my carrot and now I'm cutting it into small strips. That's just gonna help it cook more quickly. After that, I'm gonna prep my eggplant. So I would normally use a Thai eggplant, but sadly I don't have that at my local grocery store. So I've improvised and I'm using Indian eggplant instead. And you're just gonna cut it into pieces like I've shown you here. Then we're gonna grab some green beans and I'm gonna cut these into small pieces. So again, this just cooks more quickly in the curry. Now I'm gonna prep my red pepper. So I'm cutting it lengthwise and then I'm gonna cut it again once more. Now I'm gonna prep my lemongrass, so I'm gonna cut this into a couple of pieces, and this is gonna be to develop some curry flavor. You're not actually gonna keep the lemongrass in the curry. Then I'm gonna open up a can of red curry paste, a can of full fat coconut milk, a can of bamboo, and then for your protein, you can choose either some chicken or some deep fried tofu. For our curry, we want to get started by adding some oil to a pot and then a can of your red curry paste. Let this saute for at least 3 minutes on low. Just helps develop flavor. And then we're going to add a can of our full fat coconut milk, then fill it up about 3/4 of the way with water and add that to our pot as well. Then we're going to add some fish sauce. This also really gives a unique flavor and don't want to miss this step. Now we're going to add our lemongrass and let that cook in the curry for at least 7 minutes, just so it develops flavor. Then you're going to remove it. And then you're going to add your cut up vegetables and lots of Thai basil. Now I'm adding my chicken, and you want to let this all cook through for at least 5-6 minutes. Your vegetables should be cooked through and your chicken should be cooked through. I love serving this up with some Thai jasmine rice. This is seriously one of my favorite dishes. It was the first dish I ever had when I went to the Thai restaurant. So let me know if you enjoy it.